Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the next content of the dissolution of partnership form. Today I will tell you how to treat the format of the realization related with the 7 to 11 steps. Now you may see I have already discussed this format number 1 to 7. Now I am moving to the point number 8 to 11. Now the further settlement of with the creditors through the transfer of asset. That means when a creditor accepts any asset with the full settlement of account, then no entry will be passed. When if a partner agrees to take any asset as a part without any full settlement and the value of creditor is more, liability is more, then difference will be paid. Like the 10,000 minus 8,000, the differences of the 2,000 will be paid to a creditors. If the value of liability is more, then realizations to cash entry will be passed. But if a creditor accept any asset which the a value of asset is more, that means the 90,000 liability and the 1,20,000 the value of asset is more, then the difference of 30,000 will be received by the organization. So cash to realization entry will be passed. Now these are the entries by number 8, realizations expenses. Realization expenses have the one process. When the realization expenses are paid by the firm, then the realizations to cash entry will be passed. So here this said passed with the 2500. But when the realization expense is paid by a partner, then the entry will be passed, the realizations with the name of the partners. Here the name of the partner is Ashok mentioned with the amount of 3000. When a partner has agreed to undertake the dissolution form and getting the remuneration and bears all the expenses, for the entry will be passed only for the specific remuneration realizations to the cash, and no entry will be passed for the actual expenses. If the payment of the expenses is made the firm on the behalf of the partners, then the partners capital account to cash will be passed in case of actual expenses paid by the firm. So here the examples are realization expenses listed to the partner 70,000. So entry is realizations to the name of the partner Rashmi's capital account with the 70,000. It will be done with the specific amount allotted to him, sanctions to him. The actual expense mentioned, but no information is there who is bearing, or if it is bear by the Rahim, even then no entry will be passed for actual expenses. Now the next condition is the specific amount is to be given to the partners with the amount of 9,000. So the realization amount will be listed to the name of Naman's capital with the 9,000. But the actual expense is 4,000 made by the firms. When it is made by the firm, then the Naman's capitals to cash account will be listed here. If it is not made by only the word is listed, no entry will be passed. But the next is the Jeev is a partner, allowed a commission as expense you may say with the 10,000. So the specific amount realizations to Jeev's capital will be listed with the 10,000. Actual uh, expenses, dissolution expenses made by the Jeev 12,000, and it is on the behalf of the firm. Cash is taken from the firm. You may say expenditures made by the firm or the Jeev has withdrawn from the work. The things are same. The Jeev's capitals to cash entry will be passed with the 12,000. And now I am moving to the one, if the agreed amount is there, the entry will be passed realizations to the partner's capital, specific way in all cases. But when the realization expense is paid by the firm, only then the entry will be passed for the actual expenses realizations to cash. Now the Amit is a partner appointed for and the bearing the cost of expenses with the 4,000, but the actual realization amount 3,000 paid by the firm. So here the word is the realizations to Amit's capital with the listed price allotted sanction point 4,000, but the realizations to cash will be passed only when the expenditures made by the firm. And now next is the in the special cases of the items. Now the Q is a partner appointed for the dissolution process, and the remuneration allotted 18,000. So the entry will be passed for this realizations to Q's capital account 18,000, and the Q agreed to take over the asset worth 18,000. When the same value is there taking of the asset, then the entry will be passed Q's capitals to realization as the value of selling of asset. So you may see the reaction of the both. The entry is having no reaction. So you may have the next alternate, no entry will be passed. If taken, the expenditures are equivalent to the asset. By taking, then no entry will be passed. So expenses, example numbers next is expenditures allowed 15,000, but actual expense is 16,000, but these expenses paid by Vijay on the behalf of Jay. So the first entry will be passed realizations to Jay as specific amount 15,000, but the 16,000 paid by Vijay on the behalf of Jay, then the Jay's capital will be debited or reduced, and the Vijay's capital will be credited or increased. Next is, if a debtor 8,000 already transferred to the realization at the book value, now agree to pay the realizations expenses at the full settlement, then no entry will be passed. For the settlement of the unrecorded asset, you may see only if the unrecorded asset is to be taken by the partners, then partners account will be debited. If sold in the market, then the cash account will be debited to the realization account. This example is taken by a partner. So the partner's realizing value is as given here, the 400 realized at less than the 25%, and it is taken by a partner Priya. So the Priya's capital account to realizations will be done with the realizing value, that is 300. Now the next example is related with the 100 shares are given at the 10 each, and the second is the realizing value is given, the shares are realized at 6. As like this is also already completed, already written off. Now the value of 6 is realizing value against the 100 shares, so the total value is 600. So it is to be taken by the partners Priya and the Paras. So it divided into the 2 is 1. So the entry is the Priya's and Paras capital account debit to realizations in the ratio of 2 is 1. The realizing value is 600. But if it is in cash, then cash to realization entry will be passed. Then if it is recorded in cash, the entry is cash to realizations. The same entry already discussed. And now when a and computer which the written off already, and now the partner sold to Nitin for the 3,000. When it is sold to the Nitin, that means the money is coming inside the organization. So that a cash account will be debited in place of the Nitin's capitals to the realizations account. In the same way, the concluding is here, when the journal entry is to be passed for the realizing of the value of the goodwill, cash account debit to realizations account will, because the if asset has goodwill is taken by the partner, then partner's capital account will be debited to the realization. Goodwill is treated just like a asset. And now the example is given here, realized at 30,000. When it is realized at 30,000, then cash to realization account will be passed. But when it is taken by the partners, then the Paras capital account means the name of partners will be debited. Now, for the settlement of the unrecorded liabilities or the contingent liabilities, it is required to pay directly with the full value. Then like example is here, payment the unrecorded liabilities at 32. Then realizations to cash entry will be passed. And now if the compensations to the employees, then even then it is a liabilities. So the realizations to bank entry will be passed. If it is the next one is the bill receivable 3,000 discounted from bank 2,800, and now the person uh, customer is now insolvent, amount is irrecoverable. So here the liabilities to bank is to pay the realizations to bank with the full value 3,000, because the money has taken from the bank 3,000, so it is the liabilities to pay 3,000. and there is a outstanding or any contingent liability is there, then the entry will be the realizations to cash. Amount is listed here 2000. And now next is the for the transfer of the profit or loss. In case of the profit, if the credit side more, revenue side is more, earning side is more, then realizations to the partners capital account individually to be written down. Here the entry is realization 18,000, that is profit distribute amongst the partners in the ratio of 5 is 3. And now in case of the losses, losses means the debit side is more. That means the partner's capital account debit to realizations account. Then the Aarti and uh, Kareem's capitals will be debited in the ratio of 3 is 4 to the realization account. The loss is there. So uh, I think this is the part of related with your aspects now. Disclosure of your format completely now, and the special cases and the rest of the items will be treated and affecting to the other aspect now. So understand all the concept with the related to the realizations account, because this is the important aspect of the dissolution and getting the maximum practices here. So I think you should do now. Thank you.